Thank you so much for joining us. It's Sunday. It's May 28th. I'm Katrina Smith. Over in the Weather Center, meteorologist Eric Gage has an easy job this weekend at least. Everyone's looking for nice weather, and you're delivering.
Yes, sunshine and lots of it today. Beautiful weather for outdoor festivities or outdoor gatherings. Even going to church this morning, just already temperatures in the 60s, just beautiful weather. In fact, here's a live look in Oneonta. Of course, gorgeous blue skies across the entire central New York area. Temperature currently 60 degrees already. We are continuing to warm up into the low 80s by this afternoon. And a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2. Doppler radar, again, quiet and dry conditions across central New York. And our weather headlines, of course, beautiful outdoor weather for today. And in a couple of minutes, I'll be explaining what a Rex block is and why it's bringing us lots and lots of sunshine. And in the next half hour, a stargazing forecast, because we're having beautiful, clear nights for the next couple of nights. I want to explain what you can see in the night sky. For today, though, highs reaching the low 80s, plenty of sunshine. I'm talking about what to expect for Memorial Day tomorrow, as well as the week ahead coming up. Back over to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Eric.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
We are looking ahead towards another beautiful day across central New York with temperatures rising up into the low 80s, lots of sunshine and low humidity, at least for our forecast for today. Here is a live look outside from our Nexus camera looking at downtown Utica. Again, gorgeous blue skies across the area, lots of sunshine, just an absolutely beautiful day across central New York, and things are dry. As expected on a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. If you're looking to get some early prep work done for the Boilermaker, such as running, starting out in the morning, temperatures reaching the upper 60s to low 70s. Again, beautiful conditions. And then in the afternoon, warming up into the low 80s, still lower humidity with dew points in the low 50s. Again, perfect running weather for today. And especially for anything outdoors, for outdoor gatherings as well. And also, along with this too, I'm going to explain why we're seeing such extended sunshine and dry weather. So it all starts basically with the jet stream, and this is called a Rex block, named after the meteorologist who discovered it. So basically, we have the jet stream, a current of air way up in the atmosphere that basically is a brick wall. It prevents air from easily passing either from one side to the other. So if you think of it as a barrier for this air to kind of get trapped underneath. So we have high pressure, which causes weather to remain very quiet with lots of sunshine. And we have this low pressure system in the southeast bringing rain showers and winds to a lot of areas further south. And you notice right here, we have this low pressure trapping this high pressure to the south, and the jet stream confining this high pressure where it can't move anywhere else but kind of stick here in central New York. And that's what's causing our extended sunshine, because this high pressure, it wants to move east and it can't. So because of that, we're going to be seeing lots of sunshine, lots of clear skies, and of course, numerous days of sunshine here in central New York. So our skycast, not going to be showing much other than temperatures for the next couple of days. Starting out today with highs reaching the upper 70s to low 80s. Clear tonight down into the upper 40s to low 50s. And again, a very nice day expected for Memorial Day tomorrow with highs reaching the low 80s. And of course, a decent breeze from the east between 5 and 10 miles per hour. Be very nice, a nice breeze from the east. And again, tomorrow night, cooling down into the low 50s. So clear nights, clear days, and again, beautiful weather expected for the near term. So for highs for today of 83 degrees, lots of sunshine tonight. A low 49 with completely clear skies. In our 7-day forecast, we're looking at sunshine for the next 5 days, even to the 6th day. There's a very small chance of rain showers on Friday, if any, and we do dry out once more as we head into Saturday. And our trivia question, how many service dogs are currently in the U.S. military?
Let's go with C, 1,200. When in doubt, pick C.
When in doubt, pick C. It is 1,600 service dogs. And I'm just looking at the Department of Defense because they have the numbers here. Right. And about 50 to 90 puppies are born into the program every year. So they have, I had to choose that picture because it's a cute dog as well. So
wouldn't you love that job?
That'd be awesome. I also love how the service members adopt the dogs. The handlers adopt the dogs after. Yeah.
When they retire. So neat. Love it. Thank you so much, Eric. A lot of boats. Welcome back, and thank you for joining us for another half hour of News Channel 2 Weekend Today. I'm Katrina Smith, and meteorologist Eric Gage is over in the Weather Center. No matter what your plans are on this Sunday, it is a gorgeous morning and a gorgeous forecast, and even some stargazing this evening. It'll be nice enough to do that as well.
Yeah, temperatures will be mild, not as chilly as Thursday night and Friday night, so it'll be perfect to stay up a little bit later and view some things in the sky. And I'm going to explain what you can see in the sky tonight. So obviously after a beautiful day today, it's going to be clear skies, and what you can see in the sky, so Mercury will not be visible, Venus before midnight, and you look up towards the west-northwest. Mars is a little bit less visible, and you can see it before 12:30 in the morning before it falls below the horizon. If you want to stay up super late, you could see Jupiter at almost 4 in the morning from the east-northeast, and Saturn a little bit after midnight from the south-southwest. And again, viewing conditions are going to be good, but we are going to be entering more moonlight as the moon continues to get more bright towards a full moon later on in June. And right now, temperatures are in the low 60s. Again, low humidity, beautiful conditions, dry weather on a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. And again, highs today reaching the low 80s. Plenty of sunshine, just a beautiful and fantastic day across central New York. The nice weather continues tomorrow and into the majority of the work week this coming week. And look at that full forecast is coming up. Back over to you.
Thank you, Eric.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning, happy Sunday, and a beautiful Sunday is expected across the entire area with lots of sunshine and low humidity with temperatures reaching the low 80s. And here's a live look outside from our UK National Cooperstown camera. And again, we're looking at beautiful weather. People are already outside enjoying temperatures already very pleasant in the mid-60s. And a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2. Doppler radar, again, quiet and dry conditions will continue for today as well as the near future. Taking a look at those temperatures, already in the upper 60s in the North Country, 67 Big Moose, 66 in Lowville. In the Mohawk Valley, still looking at the mid to upper 60s, 66 in Westmoreland and Whitesboro, 67 in Deansboro, 66 in Dolgeville. And further south, in fact, Cooperstown checking with 64, Skenevis 67, and Sherburne also checking in with 66 degrees. Now, we did get a break with smoke cover from those Canadian wildfires, and everyone's wondering, are we going to see any more smoke? Well, we are still seeing a slight haze in the sky today. If you notice, the sky is looking a little bit white. That is still some lingering smoke in the sky, and it will continue to start pushing south by tomorrow. So tomorrow afternoon, a little bit less haze in the sky, but still we're going to be seeing, at least for the near future, several days or so of light to moderate haze from those fires. And again, none of the smoke is expected to reach the ground. And along with that, too, we're also tracking a very dry stretch of weather due to a Rex block, which is basically starting out the jet stream, bringing in basically it's a barrier preventing winds and air from moving north or south of it. It basically acts like a brick wall. We have a high pressure system that is influencing our weather for the near future. It is getting trapped underneath the jet stream and trapped above this low pressure to the south. It can't really move anywhere, and because of that, it will continue to linger in the northeast and bringing us numerous days of sunshine here locally. And because of that, our skycast is not going to show much in terms of changes. Looking at highs for today reaching the low 80s and sunshine across the board. Clear skies tonight down into the low 50s to upper 40s. Tomorrow, a similar story. Highs reaching the low 80s. Again, plenty of sunshine. And then tomorrow night, once more back down into the upper 40s to low 50s. So quiet weather for the near future, but again, very beautiful weather. So for today, high of 83 degrees, lots of sunshine. Tonight, down into the 40s with clear skies. In our 7-day forecast, looking at lots of sunshine for the next 5 days. A very low chance of rain for Friday from a cold front, and we're back to more sunshine to enter the weekend this coming Saturday. And our trivia question: of the 46 U.S. presidents, how many served in the military?
21B.
All right, 21B, it is
31. Should have gone
31
with my
U.S.
usual
presidents. And in fact, there are 4 of them that served as a general during wartime, and it was, let's see here, we have George Washington, William Henry Harrison, Ulysses S. Grant, and of course Dwight D. Eisenhower.
Ah, okay,
So,
very good.
Yeah, 4 that were wartime generals, and there were actually several that were generals too. So
You're not going to read that list
No.
because there's too many.
too many.
Thank you so much, Eric. If you want, you can Google it. All right, a hot.
First look at your forecast tonight at 11 with meteorologist Eric Gage. A wonderful shot of the moon shot by our own Keith Hunt tonight. And we had the International Space Station with a flyby earlier.
Yeah, beautiful sight too. Clear skies, just warm conditions, perfect weather to go out and view the ISS.
Yeah,
6
it really
minutes,
was.
It was slowly moving by. And on top of that too, we do have some other things to check out in the sky tonight. In fact, first, here is a look at what, at least sent in from Ben from the anchor desk right here. It's due to longer exposure, you can notice the flyby caused the ISS to look like a streak in the sky. And for those of you that were wondering if it happened or not, unfortunately, due to broadcasting changes, we weren't able to actually show this on air, but you can always get up-to-date information on ISS flybys and all sorts of astronomical things on our Storm Tracker 2 weather app and also on our Facebook page, WKTV Weather. Other things to check out this evening: Venus starts to go below the horizon around midnight, so if you want to get out and view the planet before it becomes invisible. Mars before 12:30, still a little bit more faint. Jupiter, if you wake up early tomorrow morning, and Saturn is barely visible after 1:50 earlier on. Although beautiful stargazing conditions tonight with, again, completely clear skies and only a slightly full moon moving into the area. Current temperature 57 degrees. Dry conditions on New York Full Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar, and again tonight, low 49 degrees, clear skies, nice weather continuing for the near future. Look at that full forecast is coming up. Back over to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. Fort Stanwix National.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. Wrapping up the final weekend of May. The beginning of June starts this coming week, and with it, plenty of nice weather. Along with that, too, we're looking at a very nice day for Memorial Day activities for tomorrow. Here's a live look outside from our UK National Cooperstown camera. Again, quiet and dry conditions with clear skies across central New York. And dry and quiet on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. If you are heading to an event tomorrow, especially a parade, it's going to be very nice with mostly sunny skies and temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s. There is a very low chance of a passing shower south due to a backdoor cold front. We have very dry air near the surface. A lot of that rainfall is not expected to reach the ground. Besides that, though, we're going to see increasing clouds as we head into the afternoon, but of course plenty of sunshine to start out the day. And again, looking at our full week forecast, we've got highs in the 80s. Now, this isn't going to be mid to upper 80s, more so low 80s to upper 70s, but still, I put 80s in the next 5 days. Now, after sunshine and maybe a pop-up shower for the end of Memorial Day, looking at nothing but sunshine for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Beautiful weather for the middle of the week. And then Friday, wrapping up the work week, we have partly cloudy skies with possibly a brief shower or storm as a cold front begins to arrive as we wrap up the work week. Again, very low chance of rain, if that. We're not looking at a complete washout, at least for the near future. Along with that, too, we are entering still a slightly above average temperature pattern for the next several days, with temperatures roughly 5 to 6 degrees above average. But still, it's not going to feel completely hot, with a decent wind, decent breeze for a lot of the days this coming week. Now, to our Skycast, quiet weather this evening and into tonight. Lows reaching the upper 40s to low 50s. Early tomorrow morning, a very pleasant and mild start, warming up into the upper 70s to low 80s. Notice the chance for a pop-up shower to the south, but again, the chances are very low. Our models are picking up on a very small hint of that, but again, dry air near the surface. A lot of that is not expected to reach anywhere, mainly beyond the Norwich-Oneonta line right there. Things north should remain entirely dry. After that, though, again, dry weather completely is expected for the majority of the work week before our next chance of at least notable rain showers look to be this coming Friday. So for tonight, low 49 degrees, clear skies. Tomorrow, starting out with sunshine and increasing clouds throughout the afternoon and a high of 84 degrees. Our 7-day forecast, Memorial Day should be Monday, not Tuesday. We do have temperatures in the 80s for highs, depending on elevation for the middle of the week. Possible rain showers for Friday and Saturday, drying out for Sunday.